In this video, we're going to be talking about how to earn $100,000 per month with Chat GPT, and I'm going to give you the lightning method to make this money in the fastest and laziest way possible. And this works even if you're brand new. Now, a lot of people are struggling right now with accessing Chat GPT, and so we actually have a way to access Chat GPT where the servers aren't overloaded. So I'm going to show you that, and I'm going to walk you through this step by step. And if you want to get some more trainings like this, if you could do me a favor and drop a yes down in the comments right now, just stop, drop a yes in the comments, because I want to know if this is the right one, and I want to keep making the trainings that you like. So this is a little different than it has been in the past few days on the channel. So if you like this, hit me with a yes down there. It also helps on YouTube, and so I would really appreciate that. And step one, we need to go to scarytoolbots.com and grab our checklist. So what is this? It's a checklist of companies that is going to pay us to promote their product. And we're going to use Chat GPT to be able to do that. Now, once we go there and enter our email address, we can see all of these things right here across the bottom. There's even more. These are all companies that are going to pay you to promote their product. Most importantly is our free Facebook group right here. You definitely want to join there because that is the active community of people just like yourself that are getting success by utilizing Chat GPT as well as other methods. So now that we have our tool from Scary Toolbots and we have our checklist, we need to get Chat GPT. Now we can go to botunlocker.com, which is just a simple domain name that's easy to say. And we wind up here and we can log in, which brings us here. And now we can talk to ChatGPT. This uses the same API that ChatGPT uses, and we don't have to worry about the waitlist. Jasper has a free trial, and then I think you pay a little bit and away you go. But it gives us this chat beta here, and we can talk to it the same way. So we can get our next step, which is important, and it's going to help us here. What we're going to do is find some videos here that we want to create. So let's say that we're selling this actual tool, Jasper here. For example, it is on our list right here. It is one of the tools that you can sell. And we can go to YouTube, for example, and find a short video that works. So what do I mean by a short video? Short form content is, generally speaking, content that is less than 60 seconds and is in a vertical format, just like we see here. Shorts, TikTok, Facebook Reels, etc. So you'll see these short form content, and it is exploding right now, and you can get massive amounts of views. So if we go here and just get a video like this called Jasper, and we can find and filter the videos that are under 4 minutes here just by going to filters under 4 minutes. And we can see then videos of Jasper that are under 4 minutes. And here is a whole bunch of them, for example. So we can actually take the transcript from this video here. For example, it has 3.2 thousand views. And we can ask ChatGPT here, our bot, to rewrite it. Remember, because this is using the Chat GPT API. And you can actually just Google for a tool that will get the descriptions from the YouTube link. You put in the YouTube link, really easy, copy the link, put it into the tool, and away you go. So for example, what you can do is go here and look at the video. And here we have a introduction. So I'm going to pull that up. And so I just pulled this up. Hey, if you're looking to make, here we can see over here the transcript. Hey, if you're looking to make $1,000 and $2,000 per month online and possibly quit your day job, make sure you follow along step by step, right? So we can take this like this. This is called the hook. So this is what I'm talking about right here. If we go to the hooks, we can create hooks, audio and video. So you can create these things and pick up your phone and create them, of course. But we're working on a way to streamline this process so we can create more of them. Because what these do is you can get a lot of views on short form content and then use that to drive traffic to whatever you're doing in your offer. So you drive your traffic and you build up a list with the CRM, and then you send the traffic, or you send emails to them and say you let the CRM market your offers for you on autopilot, and then people click and they buy and you get paid. So what we're doing here is just like this. I'm going to grab this and ask it to write some hooks for me for a video like this. So I can go to remember my Chat GPT API here, and I can say, write me 10 high converting video opener. Okay, so write 10 high converting video hooks for a tool called Jasper. It's an AI writing tool. So we just give it that. And now I'm going to have the hook. What is the hook? The hook is like so. It is the opening of the video. So now what I can do is I can just crank out and burn through recording 10 hooks. So what does that look like? It looks like this. So let me open it up here. I just did a quick one.
These two websites feel illegal to know.
Right? So that is the hook, right? So we just go through here and we grab the hooks and we just record those really quick. So like I can record 10 hooks really fast. Now I need the actual content of the rest of the video, the audio and video for the rest of it. So what tends to happen is the hook, if you saw there, was about 4 seconds here. If we open it back up, it's just 4 seconds. It's really quick. So that's easy to do because you can just like read your hook here like once and away you go. What gets harder to do is then when we start to record the rest of the video and the audio, and you got to get everything timed right. And if you don't say it right, and then you got to edit it, and it just becomes, well, it's a long process. And so how can we make that better? How do we utilize tools and bots to make that better? Well, the way to do it is to just take and go back to our video and grab the whole transcript. So we can grab it, we can put it here back in our Chat GPT and ask it to rewrite the entire script, right? So now I have my whole script and it just is an audio or a text file. Then I just get out and record the actual audio. So the audio for that might look just like this here. Let me open it up.
Number 1. ScaryToolbots.com gives you a list of companies that will pay you to promote their products. Number 2. ChatRiches.com teaches you in a private class how to make money utilizing Chat GPT and AI.
Right? So now I have just the audio, and all I did there was I asked Chat GPT to rewrite it. So I went ahead and just pasted it in here so you can see. So I'm just saying, hey, rewrite this script. And what it's doing is it's kicking back a new script. So all I have to do now is get a microphone and read this. Now the challenge, if you try to read this and record video at the same time, that's where the timing gets off and that's where you got to really practice. But if I just open this up and just go microphone and start saying, are you looking to make money online and possibly quit your day job? If so, then follow this 2-step process, right? See, you understand. It's just easy. You just read it. There's no camera. There's nothing, right? And then you can record the video separately. So what does that look like? That looks like this, where I have just recorded the video, right? Showing the screen, no sound, no nothing. And that also is easy because there's no timing, right? I can just record and point. Right? That's easy. Anybody can point at their screen and record, and away you go. Right? So that's what that looks like. And then all you have to do is take a program like CapCut, for example, and bring them in and edit them and combine everything together. So you drop in your primary video, right? So I have this is my actual video here, this was my hook, and this is my actual audio, right? So all I have to do is drop everything in together, edit it, and then export it. So I can just go here to export and export it. CapCut will even do all of the captions for you and everything, which the captions means put like the text on the screen. So like if we go back and watch this video here, we should be able to see where it has. And so that video didn't even have the speech to text. So let me just show you another one here. You see how the words are on the screen?
Step 1.
So it'll do that for you too. So let's review. You can grab your whatever company that you want to get paid to promote from the checklist. You can join the free Facebook group, and then you can grab Bot Unlocker from botunlocker.com, which is your Chat GPT ability to use that because Chat GPT is constantly waitlisted. So then you can find some videos that you want to create and grab the actual transcript, and we can plug it right into our Chat GPT here. And we get back our new script. Then all you do is just record the audio, record the hook, and then record the video. Put them all together in an editing tool like CapCut. And then you can upload it on YouTube. And utilize that to then drive the traffic to a CRM. What's a CRM? It's just a place where you can gather all the leads. So when everybody goes there, they enter in their email address and it captures it. And then it automatically sends out emails day after day after day after day with your link in it. And the link I'm talking about that it's going to send out, that is going to point the traffic to the offer. So what does that really mean? Well, what that means is once you get your leads into your CRM, you're going to have the CRM point the links to something that looks just like this. So this is the Jasper affiliate program. They're going to give you a link. And so you have, ideally it would go to a bridge page as well, and then you would go to the link from there. But that's kind of a whole different setup. And so, we are covering all of this in chatriches.com in the classes. We teach how to do various methods to make money. And so, in fact, what I'm talking about is this, for example. So I said we could earn $100,000. So this is Stripe for the past 4 weeks, which is $162,000. And I'm not saying that to brag. I'm just saying this is what's possible, right? So there is additional income through PayPal, and you can start to gather your leads. Basically, you can start to make your videos in the automated way with Chat GPT using UnlockerBot or botunlocker.com to get access to Chat GPT. And then you can build your list, put it into the CRM, and then you can have the CRM market over and over and over again until someone buys to your actual link right here. And that's when you get a 30% reoccurring commission on this offer, and each offer is unique, but this one has $4,800 of unpaid earnings. And you can see as you go through here, we've been getting paid quite a lot of money from them for quite a long time. And so the key here really is to start to build up a community and build up a list, a following here in the CRM, so you don't have to redo the work over and over again. And we actually have the paid classes here where we go and break down different methods where you can do this. And the Chat GPT Riches classes are focused on how you can utilize short form content as well as other methods to make money like this over $100,000 a month. Now, this pricing is going up. In fact, you can enter your email address here and you can get in, but the price on the paid classes is going up. So, I mean, if you want to make money, could you see yourself making money online? Like if you go down the road and just see yourself 4 weeks from now, 8 weeks from now, 5 months from now, can you imagine for a moment making money online? Now, could you imagine what it would be like to earn $100,000 a month? How would that feel? What would that look like? What kind of house would you have? What kind of car would you buy? What would you do with $100,000 a month? So if you want to earn that, does it make sense that you might want to invest and go to chatriches.com and get into the live classes, start to learn this sort of stuff? If you go there now, you can actually get in before the price goes up, because the price is going up soon. And then you could still get in, but it's just going to cost more. So why would you wait? I mean, does it make sense to not wait and spend less money for the same thing? So it's up to you, but if you want to go there, you can go to chatriches.com and get in the classes. Definitely you want to go and join the Facebook group. So go to scarytoolbots.com, enter your email address, and then join the free Facebook group. And if you want to get in the live classes, you can do that at chatriches.com. And if you join the live classes, then I will see you at the next live class. And if you join the Facebook group, then I can talk to you in the Facebook group as well.